Hey guys, this week's quick tip video is about whether or not you need to ask your spouse before you make a big purchase. This video is broken down into 2 questions to ask yourself before you make that purchase. So if you're at Home Depot right now and you're looking at that new drill that you've been dreaming about, pause and then watch this quick tip. So when debating on that big purchase, take a second and evaluate. First, the first question you need to ask yourself is assessing the stress level of your partner. Because if you're asking this question, you're essentially saying, I don't know if my partner's okay with me spending this amount of money. And of course, whatever that dollar amount is will differ based on you and your relationship and the budget that you've put in place. So if you're sitting there, like the drill bit, right? You're looking at this drill and you're like, okay, I don't know if it's okay if I buy this. Have I already talked about money with my spouse? That's the first thing to ask. How did that conversation go? What was their stress level like? Are they trying to save up for a vacation? Are they trying to save up for a new home? Like, what is going on financially for your relationship? That's the first base point to think about. A secondary point under that question is, like, I hear it all the time when people say something like, you know, it's easier to ask for forgiveness than it is to ask for permission. If you're sitting there in the store and you're telling yourself that, that's automatically informing you that that's going to cause stress to your partner. So if that's something that you're telling to the guys as you're at Home Depot, pause and assess whether or not that's really worth it for you. If that's a point of stress for your partner, it's probably a good idea to then send them a text, send them a phone call, or pause on that purchase until you can have that conversation with them. Before making that big purchase, the second thing to consider is the purpose of that purchase. One purpose might be an emergency where you don't need to touch base with your partner. That, of course, is an emergency situation, and if you need to buy like a new car part or something that came up, of course, then that doesn't necessarily mean that you need to touch base with your partner. It might, but that's something that you guys can discuss as you're creating your budget when you want to touch base with your partner there. As far as a gift is concerned, think about the first point. So if your partner is saving up for something, maybe don't get them the big, nice diamond earrings and instead do something a little lower cost. That way, they can still enjoy the gift without also being concerned of that financial heartache that goes with that purchase. So maybe get them the watch that's on sale at the jewelry counter or the smaller set of diamond earrings. Something that, of course, you still want it to be special for your partner, and you still need to keep in mind that financial stress that may go with that purchase for them. Before you make that big purchase, consider asking yourself 2 questions. First, what is the stress level of your partner right now surrounding finances? And the second being, what is the purpose of that purchase? If you're new here, hi, my name is Emily and I am a relationship coach here at the Couples Workshop. I put out videos like this every week focusing on quick tips to help you in your relationship. Please consider subscribing for more quick tip videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll talk soon.